DJM TV.
Sabilicious country people, now welcome to DJM Daily Ogbonge Tori inside DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me one yanuna the Ogbonge Tori when don shele for this time. The Tori when we bring for now this time, now the one when shele inside Niger State. As some people when carry gun, when we all they call bandits, don Kpake some teachers and students when they teach and learn for inside the government science college for Kangara. As our Tori man when go there yarn, the gunmen when be bandits begin Kpake the teachers and students around 2 o'clock for early momo on Wednesday after they don throw away many bullets to take make sure say nobody fear go let them come out near where they dey and make their feet carry wetin they come do am as they want am. As the Tori dey, one of the teachers and some students when the gunmen when the bandits be Kpake and students come Ben Johnson from the gunmen, but one of the students no come fit make am as e be say e come kpai for the matter. So, as the matter the waka dey go, one former senator for the 8th Senate, when his name be Shehu Sani, and when he still be former student of the Government Science College for Kangara, come here and say the principal of the school don't confirmate the matter. He come still here and say the school get about 1K students, but they believe say na some of the students and teachers na im the government will be bandits Kpake from the school. Inside the matter so, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn the service chiefs and other ministers when he get hand for security matter, particularly those service chiefs when e be say im just newly appoint so say oya alele make them forward march to Niger State to make sure say them look for the students and teachers where the bandits go hide them and make sure say dem fit bring them back alive. So as the president yarn this one so, the federal government people when e be say na them concern for the matter as the Presido Muhammadu Buhari take yarn the forward march so, them don't do them forward march enter Minna when be say na im be the capital of the Niger State. The federal government people so when it be say the security matter concern and other people when be say the matter concern at all, when Presido Muhammadu Buhari don't give forward march make them alele go make sure say them bring the boys and the teachers come back alive, come be the National Security Advisor when his name be Bapa Gana Monguno, the Minister of Information and Culture when his name be Alhaji Lai Mohammed, the Minister of Interior when his name be Alhaji Rauf Aribesola, the Minister of Police Affairs when his name be Alhaji Mohammed Maigari Dingyadi, and the Inspector General of Police when his name be Mohammed Adamu. Others can be all the security chiefs when it concern the Chief of Defense Staff and the Chief of Naval Staff and the Chief of Army Staff and the Chief of Air Force Staff. As the matter they go so, all of them so don't dey for Minna when be the capital of Niger State as me and you dey yarn so. As the matter they go, the main opposition party when it be say we dey call the People's Democratic Party PDP don't blow whistle sake of the increasement of banditry for Niger State and even every part of Nigeria. The party yarn say na big failure for the side of Presido Muhammadu Buhari and the APC government, as e be say dem no fit take correct leg take follow security matter when e be say e don dey wahala everybody for Naija. The party come still yarn say belle no sweet dem at all, sake of say the way e be say na so school na e be say all these bandits dey go dey kpake children when e be say no be their own, children when e be say papa and mama and even the country put hope for say na dem go be leaders of tomorrow. E come be say na kpake na bandits come go dey kpake for inside the place when e be say they suppose to dey learn. The party come yarn join say wetin dey pain dem pass for inside be say at the end of the day government go come arrange gbogiri go give dem make dem for release the people wey be say dey kpake, and na this one na im dey give all these bandits correct mind when they still dey continue dey do the business of kpake. The People's Democratic Party wey be PDP so come still yarn say the government science college, if people look am well, the college dey in a way wey be say e no fit place wey be say people fit learn and study well to become better people. Particularly e be say the college na one college wey be say e don already produce correct ogbonge Naija people wey be say dem get better position. The People's Democratic Party come still yarn the security people make dem pursue the bandits and find where dem hide put and make sure say they rescue the teachers and the students alive quick. According to the talk person for the People's Democratic Party PDP when im name be Kola Ologbodiyan, im come yarn say when the people of Niger State and other Naija people dey suffer for the hand of bandits, the APC leaders and the presidency dem dey fight for the party membership registration when matter instead of them to gather security people and rescue Naija people from the hand of all these bad people. The talk person come still yarn say na the workmen when the All Progressive Congress APC party and the government of Presido Muhammadu Buhari bring enter Naija from neighboring countries for inside Naija. The party talk person come still yarn say make the APC, the All Progressive Congress and the Presido Muhammadu Buhari government quickly settle these people, sake of say if you call person make e come work for you, after e work finish you go settle am make e carry e leg dey go where e from come. So make dem quick settle them now, make them carry their wahala comot for Naija, make Naija people for come get better peace of mind the way e be so before. So the party come still use the opportunity take tell Naija people say make dem take sorry out o, say make dem no worry, very soon by the time election come they go know the right party when they be say they go put hand for e back to make sure say yes e go come stop all this katakata when e dey for inside Naija now. Country people, na here our tori for na ground for this time. Until next time when we go still come una way, we wan beg una and thank una for all the time una don take dey watch us. Say make una like, comment and subscribe to all our social media platforms so that una go continue dey get ogbonge tori as dem dey shele and as we dey yarn una anytime dem shele. Until next time when I go still come una way again, my name remain Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.